Bullish Avalanche Avax cost forecast range somewhere in the range of $166.45 and $314.41 by 2030. Market examiners accept Avax could reach $129.46 by 2025. Negative Avalanche market cost expectation for 2023 is $29.59. Avalanche Avax presentation. Avalanche was made to resolve the issues of versatility and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum. It is one of a handful of the blockchain stages that takes into consideration really decentralized applications, as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second makes it a feasible contender to Ethereum. Avalanche was established by 3 PhD, moves on from Cornell College. The Avalanche convention depends in research led by the group while at Cornell. The group accepts that they have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma, the issue of how to at the same time accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization. What is Avalanche Avax? Avalanche is a Layer 1 blockchain that fills in as an establishment for conveyed applications and private blockchain networks. One of Ethereum's rivals looks to remove Ethereum as the most broadly utilized blockchain for savvy contracts. While keeping up with versatility, it means to do this by having a bigger exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second. Avalanche Avax major investigation. Avalanche is a cutting-edge stage for decentralized finance, DeFi, and installments. Its principal point is to make these exchanges safer, proficient, and available to everybody. The Avalanche network is based on 3 support points: security, soundness, and decentralization. It utilizes state-of-the-art advances, for example, agreement conventions and cryptography to accomplish its objectives. Up to this point, the stage has been exceptionally effective in drawing in clients and designers. Truth be told, it is one of the quickest developing DeFi stages with more than $5 billion worth of resources secured in its savvy contracts. There are few justifications for why Avalanche could be a wise speculation. To start with, the group behind the task is exceptionally capable and has areas of strength for a record in the business. Second, the stage is continually developing and adding new highlights that make it more appealing to clients. Third, Avalanche areas of strength for has with probably the greatest names in the crypto space, which provides it with a ton of perceivability and dependability. The Avalanche network utilizes an agreement calculation called Snowman, which depends on the Unified Byzantine Understanding FBA. FBA is a kind of agreement calculation that considers trustless and non-concurrent correspondence between hubs in an organization. It is additionally impervious to Sybil assaults, implying that it is safer than different conventions like confirmation of work POW and verification of stake pass. Avalanche likewise has a remarkable element called virtual chains, which considers every hub in the organization to run its own blockchain free of the others. This implies that every hub can modify its settings and rules without influencing the remainder of the organization. This makes Avalanche more adaptable and versatile than other blockchains since every hub isn't restricted by the principles of the whole organization. Avalanche Avax current cost. Avalanche is presently worth $36.99 ST. Avax has moved 0.9% as of now with an exchanging volume of $467,301,818. Avalanche is as of now position 9 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $13,747,753,694 ST. Using the general strength record RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination uniqueness MACD from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Avalanche Avax to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Avalanche Avax market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2023. Avalanche, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. Avax. The Avax cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $55.48. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $51.79 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Avax is supposed to have a base worth of $44.39. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Avalanche Avax cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Avax will before long outperform $92.47. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Avax's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Avax will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $73.98 and a typical exchanging cost of $81.38. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 129.46 and Avax might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Avax is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $118.37 and a low of $110.97 in 2025. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2026. Assuming Avalanche effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Avax coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Avax will be green in 2026. The Avax is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $166.45, with a base cost of $147.96 and a typical cost of $155.36. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Avax cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $192.35 by 2027, with a base cost of $184.95 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Avax has a greatest value worth of $203.44. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $229.34. In the event that Avax figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $240.43. Neglecting to assemble the help Avax needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $221.94. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2029. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Avalanche will at long last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $295.92 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $314.41, averaging out at $303.32. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation to 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Avax cost in 2031 is projected to be $362.50 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $347.71. And generally, Avalanche appears to be an exceptionally encouraging task with a great deal of possibilities. On the off chance that you're hoping to put